Hi, I'm Dirk Bjornstad. I'm Director of Product Management and Marketing with Bennington. We're here today at beautiful Lake Wawasee on our 2024 Model S, brand new pontoon for model year 24. A couple things we wanted to highlight while we're out here today. We'll start with the interior. Brand new soft touch vinyl in this particular model, mated with a bold asymmetric accent of traditional Bennington Simtex. Makes a very bold statement out on the water. You'll also notice here a cutout lumbar with plenty of space to store items, Yeti ready cup holders, as well as a tray to hold your cell phone and smaller items. And as you can see, we got a brand new orange color this year that makes a really bold statement out on the water. Very modern interior on the boat. Let's step over to the helm really quickly. And as we walk over, you can see, if you just look at the shroud over the gauges, here you can see a mix of the Simtex and the soft touch, just like we saw in the on the Chase. Very rich design and beautiful stitching on the shroud. Sitting down in the helm, focus was 100% on ergonomics. We moved the control from the binnacle. I'm sorry, from the top of the helm to a binnacle. So now easy access, perfect ergonomics. I'm 6 feet tall, and you can see I fit comfortably. We have 8 inches of additional leg room versus the helm on the outgoing product. Cell phones was a priority as well, so we have a cell phone holder right here to run your Navionics, VesselView Mobile, or if you want to control your music through Apple Music or Spotify. We also have a phone pocket here to keep your phone out of the sun with an optional wireless charger. Also, as well, a standard lockable glove box, something you're not going to see with other competitors at this price point. So very beautiful, well-featured helm for a entry-level product. We also have an integrated fire extinguisher holder. Keeps the fire extinguisher off the floor and puts it right where it needs to be. And then coming back to the boat, I'm pleased to introduce our brand new swingback. Swingback is brand new to the S and SV model lines. Super easy to actuate. I can do it here with one hand. Just lift it up, slide it back for aft-faced lounging when you're underway and you need additional seats. Lift it up and just push that back. You'll also notice just how spacious this swingback is. No obstructions. You can slide on from both sides. We were able to achieve that by moving the fuel from the rail down to a center fill fuel on the back, which really opens up the space for maximum lounging. And then really you'll just notice overall, for a 20-foot boat, super spacious, super comfortable interior, and I think we got a winner on our hands for this year, something that's going to be very attractive to entry-level boaters who are looking for something different on the water for model year 2024.